Let us work on sample question paper for Class 12 CBSE Computer Science with Python 2023-24. What will be the output of the following statement? Print 3 minus 2 exponent 3 plus 99 divided by 11. And the options are A. 244, B. 244.0, C minus 244.0, D. Error. According to the PEMDAS rule, you should work in these mathematical statements. What is PEMDAS rule? P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponentiation, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Let us now work this statement according to the PEMDAS rule. First, remove the parentheses as it has first precedence. Second precedence goes to exponentiation operator. This exponential operator will work from right to left. So first it will execute 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, and again 2 as having the power of 8 now, which is 256. Then add the result in the statement. Next precedence goes to division, so let us divide 99/11ths, which gives you value in decimal point in Python as 9.0. Then next addition and subtraction are having same precedence, so 3 minus 256 is minus 253, which gets added with 9.0. And the final answer is minus 244.0, which is option C. Kindly subscribe TechBox 247 to learn more important concepts on Class 12 CBSE Computer Science with Python. Thank you.